Best deals. 1. Milk boiler. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability, easy cleaning, and a rust-free experience for years. Features advanced double-wall insulation for faster heating, enhanced heat retention, and a cool-to-the-touch exterior. Equipped with 2 heat-resistant Bakelite handles for a comfortable, secure, and safe grip, preventing burns and providing easy handling while pouring. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Lunch box. Cute heart-shaped design with inner plate. Attractive heart shape with a steel inner plate makes lunchtime fun for kids while helping keep food neatly organized and fresh. Strong locking system ensures a tight seal to prevent leaks and spills, making it ideal for school bags, office bags, and travel use. Small, easy to carry design perfect for kids' portion sizes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Puttu maker. Includes 3 puttu candles, 2 idli plates, 4 idlis each, a mini idli plate, and a steamer, dokla plate for efficient, simultaneous cooking. Combines multiple cooking functions in one unit, reducing kitchen clutter and maximizing space. Made from high-grade stainless steel that's rust and corrosion resistant for long-lasting use. Provides safe handling, even when steaming multiple dishes, to prevent burns or discomfort. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Butter dish. Designed to shield butter from moisture, dust, and external contaminants, helping maintain freshness and taste when stored in the refrigerator or on the dining table. The knob on the lid enhances the container's visual appeal and makes it practical for easy lifting and butter access, combining style and functionality seamlessly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopping board. The rectangular shape offers a stylish, contemporary look while ensuring a comfortable grip, making chopping effortless and convenient. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials, this chopper guarantees safe, toxin-free food preparation for your family. Designed for effortless operation, it enables quick and precise chopping, reducing prep time and making cooking more enjoyable. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Canister. Made from high-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel with a durable mirror-polished finish that resists stains, smudges, and fingerprints. Smooth mirror polish surface ensures effortless cleaning, maintaining shine and hygiene with minimal effort. Perfect for organizing spice racks, countertops, and pantry shelves, suitable for coffee, sugar, flour, pulses, nuts, and snacks. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. Ideal for storing and serving milk, water, juices, rasam, buttermilk, snacks, gravies, and cooked food. Spill-free pouring design. Precision-shaped edge ensures smooth, controlled pouring without spills or drips, perfect for liquid servings. Designed for direct heating and cold storage, allowing cooking, storing, and serving in a single container. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Frying pot. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this deep fryer pot is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The integrated thermometer allows you to monitor oil temperature precisely, ensuring perfectly fried tempura, French fries, shrimp, and more. Comes with a convenient drainer rack lid that lets excess oil drip back into the pot. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Mocha pot. Specially designed to work on induction cooktops as well as gas and electric stoves for versatile brewing. Premium stainless steel body, durable, rust-resistant construction for long-lasting performance and a modern finish. Brews 6 espresso-sized servings, perfect for home, family use, or entertaining guests. Ergonomic heat-resistant handle, provides a comfortable, safe grip for easy and spill-free pouring. Classic stovetop espresso brewing, delivers rich, bold, and aromatic coffee without electricity or complicated machines. A mid-premium range of pocket-friendly, easy-to-use, durable coffee equipment, the brand caters to the ever-growing community of coffee lovers and home brewers across India, potters to enable the creation of better coffee at home by making accessible quality coffee gear to every coffee-loving household. This elegant mocha pot can be used to brew black coffee, filter coffee and tea. The unit offers a pressurized extraction for optimal brewing. The mocha pot is easy to use and is compatible with all types of stoves thanks to its unique base design. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Containers. A perfect multipurpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. Pot can add a unique and stylish touch to your kitchen decor while also being functional. It typically comes with a lid to keep the ghee fresh and prevent it from spilling. It has premium knob to hold the lid and it comes with stainless steel spoon as well. It is also non-reactive, which means it will not affect the taste of the ghee. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Kadhai is engineered for culinary excellence, achieving professional results every time. Featuring a robust tri-ply stainless steel construction, the span ensures that food cooks evenly without sticking or burning, even with minimal oil, guaranteeing optimal cooking performance. Designed for your comfort and safety, the Stay Cool handles allow for easy and secure handling, even when the pan is hot. The stainless steel rivets ensure that the pan remains sturdy and stable. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Soup bowl. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability, rust resistance, and safe food consumption without affecting the taste or quality of your soup. The sleek mirror finish enhances aesthetics, making the soup bowl and optional plates suitable for everyday meals and elegant dining settings. The double wall design maintains soup temperature while keeping the exterior cool, ensuring comfortable handling and better heat retention. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Lunchbox. Designed to prevent spills, the leak-proof, vacuum-insulated tiffin set keeps meals warm for extended periods, ensuring fresh and flavorful food anytime, anywhere. A durable stainless steel stand holds the containers firmly in place, preventing movement or accidental spills, making it perfect for office, school, or outdoor travel. With its vacuum-insulated technology, the tiffin set maintains food temperature, allowing you to enjoy hot meals. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals, pulses, tea, or coffee. The sleek, compact shape fits easily into cabinets, countertops, or open shelves, combining form with function. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Idli cooker. Premium durability crafted with thick, high-grade stainless steel for superior heat retention, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance, fluffy idlis every time. Ergonomic design choices opt for the traditional stand or knob-equipped plates for effortless handling, catering to your comfort and cooking style. Multi-cuisine versatility: steam idlis, momas, dokla, veggies, and more. One appliance for endless recipes, from traditional South Indian to global favorites. Product link is given in the 15th link.